Yeah, the situation is getting tougher. The war is getting tougher, and people are ready, always ready to die for their land because that is the only thing they believe in. And the Russian government insisted that no, he must do what he wants to do and also to achieve in aim. And the Ukrainian government said no, that they are not going to bow down for anybody to just come over and take over their land. That is not possible. That they are ready to die for what is right. They are ready to fight for their land. They are ready to fight for their wife and their children. And as you can see here right now, the helicopter of Russian taken down by Ukrainians, that simply tell you that what is going on in this country right now is really terrible. And these people are ready to fight for their land. They are ready also to do what is right in order to prevent their children and their unborn generation to suffer in the end. The video you are seeing here was released to the internet by Ukrainian government showing Russian helicopter being taken down, and Russia still insisted to go on with this attack, and they also made the business that they are. And Russia's primary aim is to take this land and also to go for the president, because they believe once the president is down, then the country is also down. And NATO, indeed, they are still running after, and nobody actually know what NATO is going to do to support Ukraine in this war. Yeah, nobody pray for war, but as it happened, people have to stand up and fight for their life. People have to stand up and fight for what they believe in, and that is what is going on. This video you are seeing was shared today, and people have been saying it because some people have been saying glory, 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 glory to Ukraine. People are shouting glory to Ukraine because of the helicopter that was down. And what are we trying to say here is that there's nothing we all are going to gain in war, but when it happened, we have to stand up and fight, and that is what Ukrainian people are doing. And all the glory goes to Ukrainian president for him to even stand up and believe in that yes, he's ready to fight and save this land as the leader of Ukraine. People are saying this man is something else, this man is a genius, and people are saying he deserves accolades, and that is what we are giving to him. So I'm going to play the video, watch it. Bye.